Hello guys, welcome to our channel Homeopathic Trios. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to get notified about our content. Our today's topic is hair fall, and in this video we are going to see the entire homeopathic management of hair fall. But before that we will see what exactly are the causes and different types of hair fall. In short, normally a person sheds or loses around 50 to 100 strands of hair per day, and this amount of hair loss cannot be considered for diagnosing alopecia. Alopecia can be diagnosed only when a person is shedding or losing more than 100 to 150 strands of hair per day and there is no replacement of these hair, which finally leads to formation of bald patches. What are the different causes of alopecia? The first important cause is genetic inheritance. Second might be mental stress, smoking, medications, physical trauma or injury to the hair, after effects of various different acute and chronic diseases, deficiency of vitamin D or iron deficiency anemia, or thyroid disorders, etc. Alopecia is basically of four different types, which involves androgenetic alopecia, telogen effluvium, alopecia areata, and cicatricial alopecia. Now let's understand each one of them in detail. The first type is androgenetic alopecia. This type of alopecia is also known as patterned hair loss or patterned baldness. The main cause of such type of baldness is genetic inheritance. In men, this type of hair loss begins with thinning of the hair in the frontal and temporal region, which is also known as receding frontal hairline, as you can see in this picture. While in women, there is thinning of their ponytail which takes place. The second type of alopecia is telogen effluvium. In this type of alopecia, the immature hairs enter the destructive phase of hair growth cycle, which causes hair fall, and there is no replacement of the fallen hair in this type of alopecia. Now, this type of alopecia usually occurs because of some triggering factors like pregnancy, starvation, trauma, surgeries, or thyroid disorders, malnutrition, etc. Now, if this type of alopecia exists for more than 6 months, then it is called as chronic telogen effluvium. The third important type of alopecia is alopecia areata. This is yet another common type of alopecia where the hair loss takes place in patches, leading to formation of bald patches. This can occur as a result of some autoimmune disorders or pernicious anemia, etc. And the last but important type of alopecia is cicatricial alopecia. This is another last type of alopecia which involves permanent injury to the hair follicles, and such type of alopecia is very difficult to treat. Now, after understanding the basics of hair fall, let's understand the homeopathic management of hair fall. When we think of homeopathic management of hair fall, there are three basic approaches or types of medicines which we use in our day-to-day practice. The first is constitutional medicines, second is acute or specific medicines, and third are the mother tinctures. We will see all the top 10 constitutional and specific remedies further in this video that can help in hair fall. So watch this video till the end. Now first let's understand which are the top 10 constitutional medicines which will help you in managing a case of hair fall. Acid phos or phosphoric acid. This is one of the topmost remedy useful for the hair fall in young people who look sad and disappointed after summer disappointment in love. There is gradual thinning of the hair in these patients, and it can work very well in cases of premature graying of hair, that is graying of the hair in young people. These people crave for juicy things. The second important remedy is fluoric acid. This remedy has to be given constitutionally when the person is very flirtatious by nature and these people look too old in a very young age. Fluoric acid should be given in the patients who have a strong family history of hair fall and in cases of idiopathic hair fall, that is hair fall arising out of some unknown cause. Fluoric acid also works very well in premature graying of hair, like phosphoric acid. To know more about fluoric acid, do see our video already made upon it. The next remedy is natrum mur. Natrum mur can give good results where there is some disappointment in love and some suppressed emotions which are causing hair fall. There is abundant falling of the hair as soon as the hair is touched, especially on the fore part of the head or on the temples. There may be hair fall arising from eczema at the margins of the scalp and can work very well in hair fall of anemic women. Next remedy is Baraita Cup. Baraita Cup people are usually dull, imbecile, stupid, and have great lack of confidence. And when given in such people, Baraita Cup can give good results. Baraita Cup acts wonders in cases of baldness of the crown or of the vertex, especially in the young people, and the scalp of such people is very sensitive to touch. The next important remedy is phosphorus. Phosphorus is a very good remedy for alopecia areata, that is baldness which occurs in small round patches. The patient of phosphorus has round patches on the scalp of total baldness with falling of hair in large bundles, especially on the forehead. There is large amount of dandruff seen and the root of hair are also too dry. To know more about the personality type of phosphorus, see our video already made on it. The link will be provided in the I box or in the description box below. The next important remedy is sepia, another top remedy for hair fall, especially for hair fall which starts after chronic headaches. The patient mentally is quite indifferent and irritable, and these people just cannot tolerate any sort of domination. Lachesis. Lachesis is another good deep acting remedy for hair fall. It is almost a specific remedy for hair fall which takes place during the time of pregnancy in women. The scalp is very sensitive and cannot tolerate any sun rays. Mentally, the patient is jealous, revengeful, and religious by nature. The next important remedy is lycopodium. Lycopodium helps a lot when it comes to premature graying of hair and premature falling of hair in young people. The patient has great itching of the scalp, which gets aggravated on getting warm or by exercising during the day. Lycopodium can be given when hair fall begins after some chronic or acute abdominal disease. Silesia. Silesia is another remedy which is well indicated in premature graying and premature falling of the hair, especially before menses in the girls. And the last, 10th remedy is graphitis. Graphitis can be thought of when a patient is very sad, melancholic by nature, and gets hair fall in bunches, especially from the vertex or sides of the head. Now let's see some important specific remedies which will help you to quick prescribe or to prescribe when the case is not very clear. The first important remedy is aloe. Aloe can be thought of when the hair fall is seen with itching of scalp and also when the new hair which comes is too dry and falls off easily. The second important remedy is Amon Mure. Amon Mure can help the patients who have lusterless hair with great itching of scalp and hair fall. The third remedy is Antimcrude. Antimcrude can be thought of when the hair fall begins after nervous headache or after disappointment in love. Cantharis. Cantharis can be prescribed when the hair falls out on combing, especially in lactating mother with presence of enormous dandruff. The next important remedy is Carboveg. Carboveg is to be thought of when the hair fall begins after some severe chronic disease or after delivery and the hair fall is most prominent at the back of the head. Last but not the least, we will have a look at 3 most important mother tinctures which can prove very useful for the external use. The first is Wiesbaden, second is Arnica, and third is Jaborandi. These mother tinctures can be mixed in a ratio of 1:3, where 1 part of mother tincture and 3 parts of hair oil can be mixed and applied externally. Thank you for watching our entire video. If you liked our video, please do like, share and subscribe. And also do comment and share your valuable feedback so that we can improve and bring more good content for you all.